The Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro Edition stands as the flagship model within the ROG Phone 8 series. Loaded with features to enhance gaming performance, from a powerful processor to an impressive amount of RAM, it aims to justify its premium price. Asus sweetens the deal by including an external fan accessory to manage thermals during extended gaming sessions, and a 65-watt fast charger for quickly replenishing the battery in less than an hour. The phone boasts reduced bezels around the display, a more traditional form, a slimmer profile measuring 8.9 millimeters, and a lighter weight of 225 grams. While retaining the air triggers on each shoulder, the device no longer features motorized vents, but has gained an IP68 water and dust resistance rating. Additionally, it retains the 3.5 headphone jack and includes a side-mounted USB-C charging port. The AMOLED display spans 6.78 inches, featuring a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels and a remarkable maximum brightness of 2500 nits. The screen remains easily visible even in direct sunlight. With a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, the display ensures fluid animations, and for even smoother performance, it can be set to 165 Hz. The ROG Phone 8 series consists of 3 devices that share fundamental features, with the primary distinction being the variations in memory and storage. The base model offers 16 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. The mid-range variant includes 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage, while the flagship Pro Edition boasts 24 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. All 3 devices are equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. The Pro variant, housing 341 understated white LEDs on the back cover, dubbed Anime Vision by Asus. By default, these LEDs remain inactive, blending seamlessly with the design. Once activated, they provide at-a-glance information about the phone's time, charging status, incoming notifications, and more. In the Geekbench 6 benchmark, which assesses raw computing power, the ROG Phone 8 Pro Edition achieved a score of 2,250 in the single-core test and 7,135 in the multi-core test. It's worth noting that launching Geekbench 6 triggers Asus's X mode automatically, emphasizing performance over considerations such as battery life. Engaging in demanding games such as Genshin Impact with settings maxed out at 60 FPS presents no issues for the Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro Edition. The gaming experience is seamless, devoid of skipped frames or slowdowns. Moreover, the screen exhibits excellent responsiveness to input, as do the air triggers and shoulder buttons when using the Aero Active Cooler X. Combined with a gimbal-stabilized 50 megapixels main camera, a 13 megapixels ultra-wide camera, and 32 megapixels selfie camera, the ROG Phone 8 Pro boasts very similar specs to some of the best camera phones on the market. With Asus's distinctive image science, this combination of components delivers well-exposed and detailed shots across various lighting scenarios. Notably, night shots exhibit exceptional clarity, benefiting from the larger sensor and the steadying influence of the gimbal system during extended shutter times. In terms of power, the phone is equipped with a 5,500 mAh battery. Charging is supported at speeds up to 65 watt with a wired connection or 15 watt wirelessly. Although the battery is slightly smaller than the 6,000 mAh cell in the ROG 7, Asus assures users that both devices offer comparable battery life. The Pro Edition includes a fast charger as part of the package. To sum up, reasons to buy: excellent performance, solid battery life, fast wired charging, great gaming software features. Reasons to skip: gets hot, expensive. The Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro excels in crucial areas for a gaming phone, delivering super speedy performance, long battery life, and a multitude of features that enhance the gaming experience on the go. That's it for this review. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more valuable content in the future. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll be sure to answer them. See you in the next one.